In 2025, Hostinger is a top choice for millions of users worldwide due to its fast servers, 99.9% uptime, and affordable pricing. It offers a beginner-friendly dashboard, free SSL certificates, free domain registration on annual plans, and 24/7 expert support. Hostinger offers flexible hosting options for beginners, e-commerce stores, and portfolio sites, with options ranging from shared hosting for beginners to VPS hosting for advanced users. Host 25 Save will give you 25% off for ongoing sales, Build 30 deal for 30% off on VPS or cloud hosting, Start 10 now for 10% off on any plan, and Fast 50 Host for 50% off on specific hosting packages. Hosting or discounts don't last forever, and some of the best plans sell out quickly. If you're considering starting your website, now is the perfect time to grab Hostinger at the lowest price available.